Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview, Tuesday, July 15th, 2014. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, it's great to be with you on a Tuesday, partly sunny skies, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Looking out over the water, nice. Blue, a little bumpy, but not bad, but the beaches are looking fine. Traders, Tuesday, a lot to go over today, a lot of news today, so we'll need to go over that and make sure you get a sticky note out. Get ready to take some notes on that one. Don't want to be in some of these trades when this data is coming out. All right, traders, before we get started, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I am your moderator today through the Market Open Preview, and every day we bring you the Market Open Preview before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006. Part-time, in the middle of the night, out of the USA. And in 2008, I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, after I retired, 9 days later, got on the big airplane, came to Thailand on a 3-month vacation. Well, it's 2014 and I'm still here, and I'm having a great time. Traders, I do trade full-time. I trade every single day I'm in the markets. I love trading the Forex markets. It's fun, it's exciting, it's invigorating. And I'll tell you, when you can do a career, and this is my second career, and I love it as much as my first career, when you can do it, it's not like going to a job. It's just having fun, and it's an adventure, and it's challenging. Love it. All right, traders, let's go over to the risk disclaimer, get the legal stuff out of the way. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, the past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, that's the legal disclaimer, traders. Hope you took note of that. Let's move on. Tuesday, high impact day. Yes, and sure it is. All right, let's take a look at some numbers here in the markets before we get to these news events. The Dow 30 up 0.66%, the S&P again up 0.48%, NASDAQ up 0.64%. Nice stuff. Even on the euro, let's go across the pond. Wow, look at that, traders. Looks like we have all green. The DAX is up 1.21%, the FTSE's up 0.84%, the CAC 40 up 0.78%, the Euro Stoxx 50 is up 0.96%. The Nikkei 225, which is currently trading, is up 0.78%. Shanghai is up 0.03%, barely made it. And the Hang Seng is up 0.43%. Traders, the S&P ASX 200 from Australia currently trading is down 0.18%, and ending with the Kospi is currently up at 1.02%. That gives you a reading on what is going on the numbers through overnight trading and into our new trading day as Asia is underway. All right, traders, some news that's coming out. In the London session, we have the pound CPI year on year. Also, the pound Bank of England Governor Carney speaks today. Also, in the London session, we have German zoo economic sentiment. Keep an eye on that. When we get into the U.S., we have retail sales month on month. And probably the big one that everybody's going to sit back and listen to is Fed Chair Yellen testifies today. Traders, out of the JPY, there is a BOJ press conference. Traders, you know they're not good about giving times. They'll just come out and do it when they want. So keep your eyes open for that. If your charts start to move crazy, just check the BOJ. They're probably in their press conference. All right, traders. Wow, we went through that pretty quick. Let's keep going. This is going to be an early one today. This is to the charts we go. We're going to take a look at two currency pairs. So let's start with our first one, and this is the dollar yen. All right, traders, the dollar yen. Take a look at this daily chart. Absolutely bearish. As usual, hugging around the 200 exponential moving average at 101.52. Very nice. Take a look at your Williams All Percent indicator starting to go to the side. That's a good thing. The MACD, because we are in a trend, and the histogram is below the zero line. However, it looks like it's crawling towards that zero line, so I have to be careful of that. But we're bearish in this pair, so let's go to the 60-minute chart and take a look at a possible trade setup. Traders, this is a really, really easy trade setup. You know, we can't do anything because we only want to take sell trades in this pair. So we can't do anything until we get down and close below the 200 exponential moving average, which on this chart is at 101.57. So we're looking at like 101.48, about 9 pips below that. And we can then enter with a bearish candlestick formation, and we're going to take that down to our take profit area, which if you look left of the chart is previous support, and that's at 101.10. So, you know, we're looking, we got a good 38 pips in this trade on the 1 hour chart, so this is looking pretty nice. All right, let's jump over to the 15-minute chart on the dollar yen. Another tough one here. I know this is counter trend, but I have to tell you, this to me looks like we're going to need to maybe take this to the upside. I think we might have to wait for this to hit support and go to the upside unless it closes below the 200 exponential moving average, sort of giving us a little bit of mixed signals on the dollar yen on the lower time frames. However, I don't like this trade setup. I have to be honest with you. Do not like it. I'd rather trade in the direction of the trend off that hourly chart. But this 15-minute chart is ranged, and it's not giving us a lot of price action, as the dollar yen usually does it. I don't normally, well, I don't trade the dollar yen. I use the dollar yen as a guide and as a trading tool. And I don't trade it as far as going for pips. It just doesn't move enough pips in a trading day. I think it only moves like 38 pips a day. So I'm not interested in trading this currency pair, but I do use it as a tool. All right, traders, let's go to the next one, new one that I like, and that is the Euro New Zealand. Look at this daily chart. Is this not beautiful? I put a trend line in here, nice to the downside, 200 exponential moving average at 1.6032. This is absolutely bearish, bearish, bearish. So nothing to say about that. It speaks for itself. Spatial intelligence. Look at that, huh? Okay, let's go to the 60-minute chart. Let's see our trade plan here. 60-minute chart on this Euro New Zealand is kind of nice. This is a really simple trade plan. It's not difficult. I drew a trend line. It's a valid trend line. It's a 6-touch trend line. So it's going to take some work. As you can see, price did not get through this trend line for many attempts. So we need this to break below that, close below the trend line, and then take it on a bearish candlestick. And we can sell this. And that's basically where we're at. Where's our stop got to be? Traders, as I say, the stop's got to be where the stop's got to be. And today the stop's got to be above that 200 exponential moving average. And that is at 1.5488. All right, traders, if that doesn't work for your money management, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart and see if we have something here. Okay, basically the same thing. We're looking for a bounce off this trend line. And this is only a 2-touch trend line, but we can look at that as resistance. Let's get a bounce off of that. But I do not want to trade on a 15-minute chart into support of the 200 exponential moving average at 1.5452. Don't want to trade into that, so I'm going to wait for it to close below the 200 exponential moving average and take the trade possibly at 54.48. We'll take that down to previous support at 1.5419. So we're looking at about a 30-pip trade here if this trade works out. All right, traders, those are our 2 currency pairs for today. I think it looks pretty good. Remember, I don't trade the dollar yen, but I do like to look at it. I like to analyze it on a regular basis. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and of course, FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, have a great trading day, and we will see you tomorrow again before the London Open. Traders, from Pattaya, Thailand, take care and bye-bye.